Now here's a message that I want to print. To do that, I select the message, then I click the File tab here, which opens the new Backstage view. In this view, I click the Print tab. Oh, and here's a handy tip. If you like to use keyboard shortcuts, you'll be glad to know that the familiar Control-P shortcut will bring you right here to this very same tab. As you can see, this view gives me easy access to my printing controls. Here's a preview of how my message will look when it's printed, and here I can see my default printer, or switch to a different printer, and I can set print options. To print my message, I simply click this nice big print button. While we're here in Backstage View, let me point out a few of the other features you'll probably be wanting to use. If I click the Info tab, I can view my Outlook account settings. To add an additional email account, for example, the account that I use for my personal email, I'd start by clicking Add Account here. When I want to let people know that I'm out of the office, I start by clicking Automatic Replies here. Using this dialog box, I can set up automatic replies to incoming messages. And from this button, I can run tools that will clean up my mailbox. With just one click, right here, I can manage the size of my mailbox, empty my deleted items folder, or archive older items. And here's a particular favorite of mine, the Help tab. As you transition to this new version of Outlook, the tools and resources available via Getting Started, linked here, will be especially useful. You've probably noticed that a lot of what's in Backstage View is stuff that used to be on the File menu, but one of the really important things that lives here now used to be on the Tools menu instead. To open the Options dialog box in Outlook 2010, I come to Backstage View and click Options, right here. And there's my dialog box. Now, you'll notice that brought us back to the inbox, but I'm going to jump back into Backstage View to show you just one more thing. Now, if I were in Backstage View and I was ready to close Outlook, to close the whole program, I would click Exit here, and that would close the whole program. Right now, though, I just want to leave Backstage View and get back to my mail. So all I have to do is click the File tab again, and there's my inbox. Next up, using the calendar in Outlook 2010.